Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect Zlink Carplay. Firstly, open the Zlink app on your car stereo and complete the activation process as prompt. Ensure that the Zlink app is installed on your phone and updated to the latest version. Choose Wired CarPlay or Wired Android Auto for Android. Connect your phone to USB portal of the car stereo using an original USB cable. After connecting, confirm the CarPlay Android Auto pop-up on your phone and allow permissions. Then, once the setup is complete, the CarPlay interface will appear on your car screen. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and pair your phone and car stereo. Open Bluetooth, find the car's Bluetooth name on your phone, search and connect to the car's Bluetooth. Grant access to contacts and calls for hands-free use and tap sync contacts for full functionality. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.